Hello guys! I'm making my tinolang pampano. Ayan. Masarap na to guys. It's just finished cooking. So, it's ready to eat. Cooking with my salad master thing. Ayan. Diba? Mahilig ako mag guys. Luto na hindi nyo alam. Ayan. So, ready to mamba. Pampano. O, diba? Yummy. O, diba? Akala nyo wala akong salad master things? Meron ako. Mayaman ako. O, hindi yan joke ha. Talagang meron akong salad master. Yan. So, kung gusto niyo ng salad master things, guys, let me know. Okay, bye!